how to back up music and audio to the external USB drive. So first tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, we plug in this USB drive and then plug in this is the adapter and this is the USB drive, so we plug it in. Okay, so once it is plugged in, we then swipe it down at the top and tap on settings. In settings, scroll down, and then we tap on accounts and backup. From here, tap on external storage transfer. Here, if you see this message, just tap on OK, and then tap on USB storage again. Okay, after that, tap on custom and tap on next. Then scroll down and select audio. This will allow you to back up your music and any other audio file. Now tap on the right arrow here. It will show you what is being backed up. So calls, downloads, music, notifications, ringtones, and other files. So even voice recorder get a backup to your USB drive. And then tap on done. And after that, tap on backup. And that's it. It is now being backed up. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Once it's done, tap on next, then tap on done, and tap on the home button.